In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert your signature in Docusign. If you've ever found yourself needing to sign a document digitally but aren't entirely sure how to go about it, then this guide is perfect for you. We're going to walk through the process of adding your signature on Docusign step by step, ensuring you feel confident by the end. So, let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Docusign website. Go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Docusign. Once you've arrived at the homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first before proceeding. Having an active account is essential because it will store your signature and allow you to access, sign, and manage your documents. Now that you're logged in, head over to the Agreements section. This is where all your documents needing attention are stored. Think of this space as your digital filing cabinet, neatly organizing everything you need in one place. Take a moment to scroll and locate the particular document that requires your signature. You might have several agreements listed, so it's important to pick the correct one. Once you've identified the document you wish to sign, open it. This step is crucial because it allows you to review the contents of the document before proceeding. Ensure that the details are correct and that it's something you are ready to sign, as your signature represents your consent to the terms outlined in the document. After you've reviewed the document and you're satisfied with everything, you'll see an option to sign. Click on that, and it will prompt you to place your signature in the required field. If it's your first time using Docusign, you'll be taken through a quick process to create your signature. You can either draw it using your mouse or stylus, upload an image of your handwritten signature, or even choose from one of Docusign's preset styles. This flexibility ensures you have a signature that best represents you. Now that your signature is ready, simply click in the signature field to attach it. Take your time to position it correctly. This shows professionalism and attention to detail, which is always appreciated. After your signature is in place and looks perfect, click on Finish. This final step secures your signature in the document and records that you've signed it electronically. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted your signature in Docusign. Remember, the process we walked through today will become second nature as you use Docusign more frequently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tech guides.